vlog. Today I'm just showing you something I got at the weekend from a charity shop. I thought it was going to be a really nice cardigan. I do love my cardigans, but I don't like this collar. I just don't like it. It's really heavy and just cumbersome. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to frog this and make the cardigan longer, similar to my one that I have on most of the time, because I could do with another similar one. So I'll show you the cardigan that I wear a lot. It's a cardigan that I really like to wear about the house. I like the puffy sleeves, the length, and it's just so warm. It's like a daytime dressing gown type thing, but it's a cardigan. So I'm going to, unfortunately, or not unfortunately, I'm going to frog that and knit myself just a more of a plain. I don't like buttons either, so I like just an open cardigan, because this can also be worn as a jacket type thing when it isn't too cold. It's got little pockets, but yeah, I like the oversized puffy sleeves, because if you've got a jumper on underneath or anything underneath, when you put it on, you don't have to hold the sleeves. It doesn't pull the sleeves up on the inside. So that's what I'm going to do with that. So follow along as I frog and get that yarn ready for re-knitting after I've finished the baby cot blanket, which I'm still in the middle of doing. But I will keep you going along with the progress. Look at my cat being really mean to the birds. Just put food on the bird table. They're all sitting in the bush waiting for her to go. She's such a meanie. She knows they're waiting. She's like, well, come on then. Meanie. She'll get bored in a minute and go. It's not exactly warm out there. But they're not going to be silly enough to come along with her sitting there. You old meanie. Also, thought I'd catch you up on the first of the season seeds that I've managed to pick up. So I've got larkspur, giant imperial mix. So they're quite tall, those ones. Lupins, Brussels hybrid. And I was going to get seeds for red hot pokers. It was on my list, but in Morrison's they had roots, free red hot poker roots for £3, so I'll be putting those in. It says to put them in between February until the end of April, so I will probably put them in the end of the month. I've got to go out and do my roses, so but yeah, these will be indoor sowing between February and April, so I'll probably be doing those. Thing is, I need to get some more soil. These are March to May, so I'll have to wait till next month, but that's not long to wait, isn't it? Is it? It come round so quick. Time to do the sowing of the seeds. But word to the wise this year, don't plant every single seed. Because I did well, but I have noticed when I walk around the garden, because remember from my last video I said about going down and looking to see if there was snowdrops and crocuses, because I can see them pasture there, and I haven't disturbed them because we obviously made that new bed, and I thought, oh, probably, like, I tried to keep as many bulbs as I could, and they're doing quite well. But there are some annuals that have managed, or biannuals that have managed to survive, so we might be all right with some antirrhinums, though I will get some more antirrhinums, and I think California poppy, some of them might, and Alison, a big bunch of that might have been all right, but we'll wait and see. But I want to get out in the next couple of weeks and prune the roses right down before it's too late. But yeah, so that's the week bobbing along quite nicely, and I'll catch you up with what I do next, if you're interested, that is.